Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Thank you for giving so much warm response to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, it's me Momita. I upload simple, quick and easy recipes that you can try at home. So for more such recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Today we are going to make chicken stick. We will use very simple ingredient and with the help of a simple pan, we will make amazing and tasty chicken stick at home. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe.
Here I took some chicken breast pieces and with the help of a tissue paper or a kitchen towel, dry the chicken pieces nicely. With the help of fork or knife, prick the chicken. It will help in absorbing the marination. Make some cut in the chicken to get the grill effect. Let's prepare the marination. In a bowl, take some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, some oregano, and some red chili flakes. You can add some red chili powder, nearly 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Mix the marination nicely. Once the marination is prepared, dip the chicken pieces to it and coat the chicken nicely with the marination. Rub the pieces with the marinated sauce. Cover it and keep it aside for an hour. Now in a pan, brush some butter to it. Add the marinated chicken pieces to it. Here I use 2 cubes of butter and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't cover it with lid. Let the chicken absorb the flavor. Turn aside. Add 2 more cubes of butter and give 10 minutes to cook. Our chickens are cooked nicely. Take it off the flame. Pour the remaining marination in the pan and give it a toss. Now pour the sauce in the chicken and serve it with some creamy mashed potatoes. The link for the mashed potatoes is in my bio. Enjoy!